This is Mick with Nexus Property Management, New Haven County. I am at 149 Canton Street, Unit 29 in West Haven, Connecticut. We'll start off in the kitchen. Plenty of cabinet space, dishwasher, microwave, oven. A little tight there near the fridge, but it's a very large fridge. That was kind of the decision we went with there. Instead of a smaller fridge, just a tight little area that I'm going to pass through right now with ease. Brings us to our living room, which as you can see is quite spacious. So you could have a dining area here as well. The paint and the flooring throughout the unit is all new. This is a condo, so there's a small section out back that is designated for your use. Landscaping, snow removal is not your responsibility. You also have in-unit washer and dryer. Very nice amenity, nice perk. On top of the HOA, taking care of lots of stuff for you. Little closet right here, right near the front door. Coats and umbrellas and such. All right, brings us upstairs. Again, brand new flooring, brand new paint. Just looking for a brand new tenant. Notice there is a wall AC unit. We also have baseboard heating. That is electric heat in this unit. Some people are afraid of electric heat. Prices are a little bit higher, but zeroing in there, you do have individual zones for each room, so you do have a bit more control. So if you're proactive with that, you can limit those expenses. And here you see good size closet. This is bedroom one. We call it bedroom one only because we came to it first. Let's go to bedroom two. Nice view here. Nice big window, nice natural light. Same thing here, right? You see the electric baseboard. There's your thermostat. Again, this closet is actually a bit deeper than the other one was. A nice size to it. Last piece of the puzzle is a bathroom. I guess we'll wait on that. It's a nice linen closet. Store towels there as well. And the bathroom. Again, this is 149 Canton Street, Unit 29 in West Haven, Connecticut. It includes professional management,